This is a very simple video on how to use the flyout menu. Up to this point I've been showing you basically how to click on your widgets, but you also notice over here that this is a menu here, and this flies out when you hover over it. You'll be able to directly access all of the features for your SEO, all of your analytics, and go directly to performing pages, conversions, audience, and channels. And also social. You also see here, if you look over here, we only have included Facebook, but if you want to, you can include Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google+. We do have plans for Pinterest to be integrated as well. That is in development and should be launched probably within the next 90 days. Also, in ads, if you like, you can integrate your Facebook ads. To use that, I will show you that in the next video.